Welcome to the latest installment of Cooking Quickies with Andy, the only place where having a quickie is acceptable. If you got time to play with the ditty, then you got enough time for a cooking quickie. If you follow me on Twitter, you probably saw my tweet about which is better, breakfast sandwiches or breakfast burritos. Led to some great conversations, but it also made me think that there's a third option. So what are we making today? Breakfast chimichangas. Before you get started, make sure you have your seasonings all ready to go. Lucky for me, I have some lovely grill your ass seasoning all ready to go. They're all-purpose seasoning. This stuff is awesome, and if you want to try some, make sure to check out the stream because it'll be part of the giveaway we're doing. So next what you're going to do is get a pan hot, throw some oil in, get some of these cute little hash brown patties, or if you want to, cut your own hash browns or whatever, that's fine too. I was going lazy this morning. Season them up with a little bit of this grill your ass seasoning. Let them get nice, crispy, and golden. Once the hash browns are golden, go ahead and remove them from the pan. Set them on a paper towel to drain. Then what you're going to do is make your eggs. Go ahead and use the same pan and reserve just a little bit of that oil. Keep them from sticking. Go ahead, do about 3 eggs. And don't worry if the yolk gets broken because it's pretty much, we're just going to scramble them anyway. While the eggs are cooking, go ahead and throw some tortillas in the microwave for 10 seconds, just to make them kind of pliable, and cut up those hash browns that you took out earlier. When they're done, go ahead and top them with the cut up hash browns that you just finished. Throw some cheese in there as well. Once you finish that step, your eggs should probably be done. Go ahead and add that in there as well. Now, you can put whatever you want in here. I put Chick-fil-A sauce and hot sauce, and it's a really good combination. I really like it. At this point, you're going to roll up your burrito, and hopefully it's not too overfilled. But if it is, you can eat a little bit of it, sample it, it's part of the fun of cooking. Once you get it rolled up, you'll use that same pan. This is all in one pan. I'm saving you dishwashing time here. You're going to add a little more oil into it. At that point, you'll drop in your chimichangas and start working on getting them nice and golden brown like you see in the picture above me. You want that nice, crispy outside, right? And you don't have to use a deep fryer for this. This works just as well, I think. Once you've got it completely golden brown on the outside, go ahead and remove it from that pan. And then go ahead and cut it in half if you want, or just eat it as one whole piece. That's up to you. I'm not here to judge. But if you do cut it in half, go ahead and take a minute to admire that beat, the layers, the flavors. In regards to the breakfast sandwich versus breakfast burrito, I think that breakfast chimichanga might take the cake here. So go forth and make your own chimichangas. And if there's something you want to see me put in a chimichanga, let me know. Any sort of weird food combination idea you think might be good, let me know. I'm all about trying new things. And if you saw my little video on Twitter, you saw me try a peanut butter and jelly grilled cheese sandwich, and it actually was not bad. It tastes like kettle corn, so I recommend trying that one too. So until the next cooking quickie video, make sure you're safe in the kitchen. Don't burn your penis.